Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a brick oven. First, let's discuss the foundation. A solid base is absolutely critical for your oven's longevity and safety. You'll want to ensure it's perfectly level and capable of supporting significant weight. Consider using a reinforced concrete slab or a well-compacted gravel base, at least 4 to 6 inches thick, to provide a stable platform for your entire structure. Next, we move to the oven's heart, the floor and dome. Begin by laying your fire bricks for the cooking surface, ensuring they are level and tightly fitted. For the dome, you can create a temporary sandform or use a wooden jig to guide your brick placement. Each brick should be set with high-temperature refractory mortar, which is designed to withstand the intense heat your oven will generate, ensuring a strong, lasting structure. Once your dome is built, insulation is key for heat retention and efficiency. Wrap the entire brick dome with a ceramic fiber blanket, typically 2 to 4 inches thick, or apply a thick layer of perlite and cement mix. This outer layer traps heat, allowing your oven to reach and maintain high temperatures. Don't forget to incorporate a chimney or vent system to properly exhaust smoke and ensure good airflow. Finally, before enjoying your first pizza, you must cure your new oven. This process involves a series of small, low-temperature fires over several days, gradually increasing the heat. Curing slowly dries out all the moisture from the mortar and bricks, preventing cracks. After curing, perform a final, hotter firing to season the oven, preparing it for consistent, high-temperature cooking. Your brick oven is now ready for delicious meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.